Welcome back students, this is Ankesh Kumar Tiwari and you watching my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss future tenses. This is a part 4 for our tense chapters. Simple, future tense or future indefinite tense. Okay, first of all, subject will, shall, verb first form plus object affirmative, negative, subject will, shall plus not plus verb first form plus object, interrogative, will, shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object question mark. Okay students, so look at this. Where use will, he, she, it or any name and plural, sorry, singular number, shall, I, we, they, you and plural numbers, we use shall. Look at this. After all, now a present day, all form of first person, second person or third person, everywhere we will use will, but in form of tenses we can use in place I with shall, we shall, they shall, you shall and plurals. But in grammar through today's everywhere we use will, but in this form we use only about tense forms. Okay. First time we will make this video, so some confusion, some problems, but we will make this video only for your education purpose. So if you any mistake in classes before in front of you, we will discuss very lightly but in video many problems and many different many problems will be created, but we will make a video for you especially. So look at students, if any mistakes, forget it. So let's some example for you. In future tenses, not only for we discuss about future means we can only imagine it. In past tenses we can't talk about our past. In present we can talk about present. Present means they can running now time present, what will happen, what happens now in present time. But future we will discuss about ahead, not only imagine. So look at this. Affirmative, Ram will play cricket. Negative you can make own self, but one I will show for you. Ram will not play cricket. Interrogative, will Ram play cricket. Okay, so past tenses, a other example for you. Will is, look at this. Ram will play cricket. Ram cricket खेलेगा. खेलेगा means not a played this time, but खेलेगा in future. Ram decided is खेलेगा कि नहीं खेलेगा. So we can talk about a future. We can talk about a our imagine. तो ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है आपका फ्यूचर इंडिपेंडेंट फ्यूचर टेंसेस. सो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, दे affirmative shall solve the question. Negative, they shall not solve the questions. Interrogative, shall they solve the question mark. So look at it, students. This is very important for you, for your levels, for your futures. So look at this present simple tenses. This time 11 o'clock, I think 11 half o'clock, 11th half, midnight. I will make a video for you, especially today, tomorrow, next classes. You have to enough information about tenses. So don't waste my work and look at these tenses and make for more example for you and return your copy. This is only for our school students. Not if you any mistakes, no, I have no problem. But especially look at this. I will do hard work only for you. So please don't neglect my mistakes. If you found out my mistakes, neglect this and concentrate about this. Okay, students, next we will discuss about a future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Okay, so affirmative subject plus will, shall plus be plus verb ing plus object. Negative subject will, shall plus not be plus not plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative, so will, shall plus subject plus be sorry students, some mistake here. Here is a subject will, shall plus not plus be plus verb ing. Here is a will, shall plus subject plus be, subject plus be plus verb ing plus object, question mark. Okay, so negative you can also make a will, shall plus subject plus not plus be. So example for you, first example only for you, and after that you make own self. She will be cooking food. Negative, she will not be cooking food. Interrogative, will she be cooking food, question mark. So students, other example you make own self. This is your formula, and by help this formula make more sentences. Okay students, look at this. Look at this next tense, present, future perfect. Future perfect tense, I have already told you, a perfect if any present, past or future, we use only verb third form for verb purpose. So subject, some changes about in this formula. Subject plus will, shall plus have plus verb third form plus object. Okay students, negative, subject, will, shall plus have okay. So listen, subject, will, shall plus not plus have verb third form plus object. Interrogative, will, shall plus subject plus have plus verb third form plus object, question mark. So example for you, affirmative, only one example for you. I use, listen students, this is a this is all we use will with you, because I have told you about that. Today we will mostly use will, so you can also use will. You will have heard about Bhagat Singh. Next negative, you will not have heard about Bhagat Singh. Interrogative, will you have heard about Bhagat Singh, full stop. Okay students, so next, this is a future perfect tense. And listen this, we will use about we will use will with you by the reason of this present tense definitely, बिकॉज क्या है, विल का मतलब क्या होता है, निश्चित। और आप लोगों ने क्या है, हम लोग विल का यूज इसलिए कर रहे हैं, आप लोग को डाउट क्लियर कर दूं, बिकॉज हम लोग क्या है, मैं पहले ही बताया कि आई वी दे यू के साथ क्या है, हम लोग वी विल यूज सेल। बट लिसन, हम विल का मतलब होता है परफेक्ट या फिर डिफिनेटली, बट सेल का यूज होता है अनपरफेक्ट। मीन्स क्या है, जैसे हम लोग यूज करते हैं ना, आई विल किल यू। आई विल किल यू का मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे आई विल किल यू क्या होता है, परफेक्ट, निश्चित। आई विल डू दिस, आई वी कैन नॉट से दिस आई सेल डू दिस। आई सेल का मतलब होता है कि मैं करूंगा या ना कर पाऊंगा, ये मिस्टेक रहता है। बट दिस दिस आई विल डू दिस मतलब मैं करूंगा 100%। तो मोस्टली हम लोग सब कोई क्या है, भगत सिंह के बारे में सुने हैं, ये तो परफेक्ट है, राइट, आई थिंक सो। वी विल यूज विल विथ यू, ओके स्टूडेंट्स। सो इन एंड अदर, जो परफेक्ट होगा, ध्यान रखना, जब भी कोई चीज परफेक्ट हो या क्लियर हो या निश्चित हो, या जिसके बारे में हम लोग जानते हो कि हाँ सचिन इज अ गुड प्लेयर, तो अगर सचिन के बारे में हम कुछ लिखते हैं फ्यूचर में, या फिर कोई विराट कोहली, जो भी एनी, जो क्या है निश्चित है, तो हम लोग विल का यूज क्या है, किसी भी पर्पज में किसी के साथ हम लोग कर सकते हैं, फिर अदरवाइज सेल तो है ही। नेक्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रेजेंट, सॉरी फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, इसमें आप लोग को सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल लिखूंगा। नेक्स्ट आप लोग को खुद से बनाने हैं। फ्यूचर परफेक्ट continuous tense, continuous tense, subject affirmative, subject plus will plus shall plus have plus been plus verb ing plus since, for plus object। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, निगेटिव, सब्जेक्ट, विल, सेल प्लस हैव, सॉरी प्लस नॉट प्लस हैव प्लस बीन, इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्गेस्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो बीन प्लस वर्ब ing प्लस सिंस, फॉर plus object। interrogative, will, shall plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus since, for plus object, question mark। so student, example, one example for you, they will, या they shall, anything you can use, he will telling on a will very easily, because in mostly in grammar sense we use every times everything we will combine with will, so this is a common, we can say this will, so we will have been, some new sentences, look at this, we will have been delivered I think completed, we will have clothes, we will have calculated,